Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel LearnDash course detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your LearnDash course, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the courses section from the left-hand menu. Locate the course you wish to cancel. Click on the course title to access its settings. In the course editor, find the Settings tab. Within the settings, look for the Status drop-down menu. Change the status from Published to Draft to effectively hide the course. If you are canceling a subscription, head to the Users section in the dashboard. Find and select the user who is enrolled in the course. Open their profile to view their enrolled courses. Locate the LearnDash course you want to cancel for that user. Click the Remove Enrollment option. Confirm the action to complete the cancellation. For any additional subscriptions, visit your payment processor linked to LearnDash. Log into your payment processor account. Navigate to the Subscription Management section. Search for the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Follow the prompts to terminate the subscription. Once completed, you will receive confirmation of the cancellation. Ensure that you communicate the cancellation to the involved users. Document the cancellation for your records. Double-check that access to the course has been revoked for the user. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.